Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off that DiscSoft limited DAEMON tools. Okay, so there is a steps I will show you. You can follow the step by step. Okay, so first we need to just click on this arrow, and here you need to find that DAEMON or DAEMON tools. If it is running over here, just right click on it and just exit it. Okay, now we need to go on taskbar, right click on that window button and go to the taskbar. Okay, sorry, task manager. Here you need to, you can see the process. Okay, here you can see all your process tools, and here the background, the startup tools, and here the app history, and here the performance. So here current, you can see that current processor all. So here you need to search for DAEMON tools. Okay, search for that tools. If you find that tools, you can just select that tools, right click on it and just in the task. Okay, in startup, if you find that DAEMON tools, just right select that, right click on it and disable it. Okay, if it is enabled, just right click on it and disable it. Now we need to go in that device manager, right click on that window button, go to the device manager. Okay, here just maximize it, go to the view and make the show hidden device. Here we need to go in that universal series bus control. Here you need to find that DAEMON tools. If you find this, just select that, right click on it and just disable it. Okay, and under the here we need to go in that storage controller also, and here you need to find out that DAEMON tools. If you found it, right click on it and just disable it. Okay, you will see the disable option here. You need to just disable it. Okay, so now we need to go in this run options. Under the run, you need to hit the app data. Okay, go to the locals and search for DAEMON tools here, and you can, if you found this DAEMON tools option, just select and right click on delete it. Okay, now come to the roamings and find that app data, find that DAEMON tools folder name. If you found it, just select that, right click and delete it. Now come to the run again, and we need to go in temp folders, select that all folder by clicking Ctrl+A and delete it. Okay, make the skip if you got this error. Now again go to the run. Now we need to enter the percentage temp. Now select the all folders or file from here. It is like temporary files. Okay, cache, just select that and just make it skip all, which is not able to delete. Okay, and last, if you still got problem, that error on your PC, then you can go to the control panel. Here make sure view by small or large, go to the programs and features. Here you need to find that DAEMON tools application and just select that like this, right click on it and uninstall it. Okay, after you uninstall, you need to restart your PC or window, and now your problem will be definitely solved. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.